Yep, this is Satyajit Chennu. Today we're gonna discuss about ICP task which were given. So in this ICP 2, we have five tasks which are parts of speech tagging, name entity recognizer, core reference resolution, lemmatization, and parsing. So now we're gonna discuss about parts of speech tagger. Parts of speech tagger is a recognition of parts of speech of each and every word in a sentence. So if you see, for example, if we can see here, this is a text sentence, out of which we can it's tagged, each and every word is tagged with a parts of speech. So for this I have created a for loop to extract each and every word, and I am saving each and every word into list, and then I am getting that each and every word, and I am tagging each and every word. So this is how parts of speech tagger works. So this works on a library called NLTK. So in this NLTK library, this is responsible for parts of speech tagging. So after importing libraries from NLTK, we gonna get word tokenized to get each and every word, and sentence tokenized and all those things. So this is how the parts of speech tagger works. And coming to name entity recognizer, so in this also works on NLTK library. So in this task, so we gonna get so basically name entity recognizer is a functionality where if you pass a sentence, it will extract each and every word, and it will it will pull for example, if this is China. If it is China, it will show it's a country, so it will recognize entity like what kind of entity. So if we check with Jinping, so it is person, so it will show person. And if we check with the Chinese Communist Party, it is an organization. It's an organization, or like this. Like if we check, if it extracts 2012, it will show as date. So like this, it will show all the entities, what kind of entity it is. And for this, for we have to extract each and every word. Like we have, for this we have Spacie as well. We can use Spacie as well as NLTK. And yeah, that I have printed header as a word, and NA tagging. So like this it will work, and it will pull all the words, and it will show each and every uh, NER, entity. And coming to the next thing is lemmatization. So I have done two types of code for lemmatization. Like one is for from NLTK, and the other is from Spacie, like Spacie. So you can see lemmatization here itself, but in a clear manner. So lemmatization is a process where it will show the normal word of for suppose if we pass playing in lemmatization, it will show play. So it's a basic word, it's a normal word. Like if you can see here, combination see, this is a exiled, and this the main word is exile. So this is basically lemmatization. So it will extract the base word without showing any verbal kind of thing. So it will show the main word. See, if you can see here, worked lemmatization is work. So like this it will show. So for this I have used a for loop to extract each and every word. And we have token.lemma. Refers to lemmatization. This is what lemmatization means. And coming to next part is parsing. So parsing is a technique where it will extract all the parts of there are many types of parsing. So now I have done parts of speech parsing, where it will show all the nouns. It will extract all the phrases, prepositions, verbs, preposition phrases, and extract verb phrases. So if we run this code for parsing, so it will show all kind of parts of speech, like if you can see xi refers to np. So like this, like it will show each and every word, and it will show the verb, whether it is verb or noun or like that. So this is what parsing means. And coming to co-reference resolution, so for this I have done some so I have checked few libraries. So I thought Spacy would be helpful for this task, co-reference resolution. But like I am facing few issues while loading this library. So I think I will be doing this this task I think tomorrow. So as I am running out of time, I am submitting this ICP now, and like I will continue doing this like this only co-reference solution tomorrow. So like this is how I think it will be resolved in like within a day. Like this, as this is simple issue, the code is everything is ready, but this issue has to be resolved. So like I need some time to resolve this issue. Like this is what ICP 2. We thank you.